Just take a picture.
I'm taking a video, dude.
Video of what?
Thanks, Sam.
Let me see what that.
Hold on. Just gonna reach up and rip your face off.
You like how the snoring stopped?
What'd you do?
I put the tissues up his nose. Look, he can't snore anymore. Look, it stopped. Look, it's completely silent now.
It don't look like he can breathe.
No, he's good.
Look, dude.
No, he's been doing that.
Can he breathe?
Yeah, he's been doing that. Oh my god. If you magically end up dead, Josh, I'm not gonna wonder why.
Yeah, pull those on the goddamn nose, yeah, for real.
Nose is coming out one nostril.
Oh my god. Yeah, this is what we do on a fucking Monday night.
Josh, how are you doing now? What now?
I feel so bad for B. I'm gonna show him this and he's probably gonna shoot me.
Yo, dude, don't fucking choke. Don't fucking
bitch.
Yo, dude, you're fucking trying to choke your best friend while he's sleeping drunk.
I'm not gonna let him
I'm
die.
not gonna leave it in there. Hell no.
He starts to die. I'll pull it out.
I hope he starts to die.
Yeah, I'll just put an icebreaker in there. Nah, he might
No,
choke.
no,
He
no.
might choke on an icebreaker.
He'll drool and die.
We need to get the iPod and get like the most fucked up song and put it up and put it in his ear. I am gay.
He's fucking laying on it.
I like dick. We needed something like that.